easiest baby booty crochet pattern for my lefty friends.
You'll need about a ½ ounce of worsted weight yarn, a size H crochet hook, scissors, and a darning needle. Today we're going to make the newborn pair, so chain 23. Once you have completed the chain, single crochet in the second chain from the hook and in each chain across. At the end of the row, you will have made 22 single crochets. At the end of the row, you'll chain 1 and turn. For rows 2 through 8, you will repeat this process of single crocheting in each of the 22 stitches, chain 1 and turn. You will repeat this process until 8 full rows have been made. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We will now finish off, clip our yarn, and weave in the end. For the small newborn size, we're going to count over 8 stitches and we'll attach our yarn in the 9th stitch from the side. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and attach the yarn in the 9th stitch. Chain 1 and single crochet in the same stitch. Single crochet in each of the next 5 stitches for a total of 6 stitches. I like to bury my yarn end at this point so it's a little easier to weave in. At the end of the row, you're going to chain 1 and turn. You are going to repeat this process for a total of 12 rows for the newborn pair. So we will single crochet in each of the 6 stitches across, chain 1 and turn. When you are done, you will notice that you have 12 rows and a T shape. At the end, you are going to end off and weave in the end. Lay the T out with the beginning rows you made at the top. Next, thread a darning needle and knot the end. You are going to fold both sides down across the toe. So you'll have 3 thicknesses. This will be your toe end. Now take your darning needle that you threaded earlier and going through all 3 thicknesses, sew them together across. Once you have sewn across the end of the toe, secure and weave in the end. Reknot the yarn end and open up the bootie. You'll see that you have an opening at the top and 2 sides. Hold the sides together and with your darning needle and thread, sew the sides closed. Again, secure end off and weave in the end. Repeat this process on the other side. Open up the bootie and sew the sides closed. Once again, when you have finished, secure the thread and weave in the end. Make the other bootie. Fluff this one out. You'll notice that you have an opening at the top and the toe will be 2 ends that have crossed over.
This is my first attempt at a left-handed video. Please leave any helpful comments below. If you like this video, let me know and I will attempt to make more videos for my lefty friends.